Is Gold IRA safe? Hey everyone, Adam Bergman here, tax attorney and founder of IRA Financial. And on today's video, going to explain how a Gold IRA works, how you can buy gold in a self-directed IRA, and then ultimately, is it safe? Is it smart? Well, I'm just a tax lawyer. I'm not a gold dealer, so I'm probably not the right person to tell you if gold is a good investment, but I am the right person to tell you how to buy gold in an IRA and the safest way to do it. So you're not going to be able to buy gold in an IRA, Fidelity, or Schwab. When I say gold, I mean physical gold, palladium, silver, American Eagles, bullion coins. Not going to be able to do that physically. If you want to hold them physically, you're going to have to do it in a self-directed IRA. And essentially, the IRS tax code under 408M describes the types of metals that can be purchased with a retirement account. And essentially, it's pure 99.9% finesse, gold, silver, palladium, bullion, American Eagles, and bullion coins. But here's the catch, and this is super important. The metals or coins must be held in the physical possession of a U.S. trustee, which means a U.S. trust company, which means a depository, okay? Not under your bed, not in your kid's room, not under the ground, okay? That is a requirement. That's not my rule. That's under section 408M. Is it a dumb rule? I don't know. I mean, I understand people want to have access to their gold. I totally get it. The IRS doesn't want it. They, I guess, don't trust us. Even though, gold's not the type of asset that you can go to McDonald's to buy a Big Mac, but they don't want us holding it personally. And I think this honestly just goes back to the gold standard pre-ERISA. When ERISA was created and these rules were put in the code in 1974, we still were pretty close to the gold standard, which was up to the early 70s. And gold standard was the government needed to keep track of gold because we can only print money based off the amount of gold we had. So I think that's just the lessons and themes that were built into when the rules were drafted. So is it a fair rule? I don't know, but those are the rules. So whether you use a self-directed IRA or an LLC, you'll work with IRA Financial or a different IRA custodian to help transfer those funds. A couple things to remember real quick. You're going to work with a reputable gold dealer, do your research, and pick a depository that is a regulated trust company. There's a lot of businesses out there that call themselves depositories. Ask for their certification. Make sure they're regulated. Make sure they're audited annually, because you want to make sure that is how you keep your gold safe. Because you can't hold it personally, you got to trust the depository. And you want to make sure that depository is a regulated trust company, whether it's in Delaware, Nevada, Wyoming, Texas, doesn't matter. They need to be regulated based off the state they're located. And they can't just call themselves a depository. You need to ask for their certificate and their ability to show that they are a regulated trust company. That is probably the most important. Over the last 10 years, there's been a number of depositories, quote unquote, that have just gone bankrupt. Why? Because they were never regulated. They weren't regulated trust companies. They're just folks that open up storefronts, said they're a depository. And obviously, they just didn't have the policies and procedures and controls needed to keep your gold safe. So whether you're using a self-directed IRA, a Roth, an LLC, work with a good dealer, make sure they're reputable, and make sure the depository is regulated. That's how you keep your gold IRA safe. And obviously, the advantage of doing it in a retirement account is you diversify and all the gains go back to the IRA without tax. That's it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. If you're looking to get more information on gold, we have a really highly trained team that's helped thousands of clients over the last 13 years use their self-directed IRA to buy gold and keep it safe. So let us know, give us a call. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see everyone again on the next video.